Building a course is quite hectic, right? Especially in WordPress? Well, not anymore. We have built a simpler way for you to create courses without pulling out your hair. Built for creators, Creator LMS comes with a super easy course builder that you will love. Take a look. First, let's start by creating a brand new course. So click on Add Course and you can choose from scratch or you can use AI. Let's start from scratch. So first, let's give a title to the course and then a short description. Now let's add a cover photo to this. There you go. Now let's push this one up and focus on creating the chapters. So you can add multiple chapters over here. Let's name the first chapter and give it a quick description. Now let's start creating the course. Click on Add Content and here you can add lessons, quizzes, assignments, and you can see you have 3 types of lessons: text, video, audio. So let's choose the text type of lesson first. And here just give a title. You can add cover image. You can also add description with images in between. You can click on plus or slash to get the options to add more content. And there you go. Once you're ready, click on save and let's move to the next step. Let's add another lesson, but this time I'll add a video lesson. So let's give a title. And then I can add a video, either upload one or I can use an external link from YouTube or Vimeo. And there you go. So let's save it and that's it. So if I want, I can add more chapters on the left side. All right. And add further lessons under it. Now, once I'm ready with my course, I'll click on next and I'll be able to set up if it's going to be a free course or a paid course. I can have other settings such as level, the slug, and will I allow giving reviews to this or not? And then click on next and I get to, give a final review and, get a preview of the course before I publish it. So you can click on preview and you can see this is the course. People can easily view what's included in the course. And they can click on enroll now to enroll to the course. As you saw, the course creation process is so easy. And that's just one of the many great stuffs you get with Creator LMS. So thanks for watching this video. I'll see you in one of my future videos. Take care.